Recovering deleted Instagram search history.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a commonly asked question. How can I recover my deleted search history on Instagram? Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Instagram does not officially provide a feature to recover deleted search history. But don't worry. There are some other ways you can attempt to find previously searched profiles, hashtags, or locations.
Checking your activity log.
One of the first places you can check is your activity log. 1. To view this, go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines, the hamburger menu, at the top right corner of your screen. 2. Then tap on Settings at the bottom of the menu. 3. Tap on Security and then on Access Data. 4. Scroll down to the Account Activity section where you'll see View All under the Search History heading. Remember, this method will only show recent searches.
Checking direct messages.
If you've interacted with certain profiles via direct messages, you can check your DMs. 1. Go to your direct messages by tapping on the paper plane icon in the top right corner. 2. Scroll through your messages to find interactions with the profile you're looking for. This method can be time-consuming, but it may help you find the profiles you've interacted with in the past.
Checking likes and comments.
Another way to trace your Instagram activity is by checking your liked posts and comments. 1. Go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. 2. Tap on Settings, then on Account, and finally on Posts you've liked. By browsing these posts, you might come across the profiles or hashtags you've searched for in the past. Although Instagram doesn't officially allow you to recover your deleted search history, these are a few alternative ways to revisit some of the profiles, hashtags, or locations you might have searched for in the past. If you find these methods are not quite what you're looking for, the best advice might be to make a habit of saving the profiles, hashtags, or locations you find interesting for future reference. We hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.